Hey John, this is Stephanie with Peerless Strategies. Thanks so much for taking my call earlier. I noticed that you were running some Google ads, so I just wanted to reach out and show you a few things that you could do to improve your ranking on Google. The three things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So as far as content goes, that would be the words and photos on your homepage. So we see that you have quite a bit of photos, but not a whole lot of words telling Google what your website is about. So Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your homepage. So when we're taking a look at your competitors, EJ Pool Service, we see that they don't have a whole lot of content on their homepage. ASP Pools, they also don't have a whole lot of content, and the load speed of their page is also pretty slow, so that's another factor when you're trying to rank. And then Savannah Pools, they have some content, but not a whole lot, so that's all very beatable. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we search for pool service Savannah, Georgia, the first thing that we usually see at the top are paid ads. But for this, it's the map pack, and then we got the organic section below the map pack. So citations come to play in the map pack, and a citation is really just your business name, your address, and your phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet. A website that I like to use to check out the number of citations each business has is called whitespark.ca. And we see right here that your company has roughly about 15, EJ Pool has 11, ASP has 11, and Savannah Pools has 23. So what I like to do is go ahead and just add about 350 citations so you can beat your competition by a landslide. And that will be how you can rank right here in the map pack. And so the last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks, and backlinks are how we're going to rank in the organic section. And ideally, this is where you want to be because this area is what gets the most traffic. So a backlink, simply put, is just site A pointing to site B, giving site B authority in Google's eyes. So the tool that I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we plug in EJ Pool Service, we see that they have 2 referring domains, giving them 2 backlinks. ASP Pool Co., they have nothing. And then Savannah Pools, they have 17 referring domains, giving them 261 backlinks. And then when we plug yours in, Southern Pool Repair, we see that you don't have any backlinks or referring domains. Also, you're not being found for any keywords. So looking at your competitors, they're being found for 49, 5, and 34. So that is very, very, very beatable. These are very low number of backlinks. And another thing I want to tell you about those are that not all backlinks are created equal. So Google knows if you're pushing relevant sites back to your site. So if you had a pool company in California linking back to you, that is a lot more effective than, say, Pizza Hut, because Google knows that Pizza Hut is not relevant to your niche. All right, well, just to recap, we want to go ahead and add 1,500 words of keyword-rich content to your homepage. Another thing that I didn't touch on that I wanted to point out, when you go and click on your image and you do the save as, we see that it's saved as rs equals w600h300cg true. So what you'd want to do is have every picture saved as a keyword, because Google is, they don't read your pictures, they just read the content behind them. So that's another SEO factor. So just to recap, 1,500 words, keyword-rich content on your homepage. Get at least, I'd say 350 citations so you can be in the top 3 position of the map pack. You're currently sitting, I believe, at the 34th position. And then lastly, we want to go ahead and get some keywords on your website and also get some relevant backlinks pointing to you so we can get you ranked to the #1 spot in the organic position. that is it. If you have any questions, feel free to just reply back to this email or give me a call. My name is Stephanie. My number is 912-661-3473. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and we'll talk soon.